back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm just going to show you guys just how I get my top bun. I don't know, just like how I do my one bun tutorial. So I'm going to show you guys just how I do it, and maybe if you have hair that is kind of similar to mine, you can kind of see what products I use to kind of tame and maintain my hair. If you guys like to see how I do it, make sure you guys stay tuned, and I will be showing you guys all the materials and all the products that I use for my hair. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys the products I'm going to be using. So for my hair, usually when I brush it or whatever, when it's warm, when it's wet or damp or anything, I use these. I use a dummy brush, and then I use a brush, I forgot what this brush is called, but I use these two brushes for my hair. This is mainly just to swoop and get the, just come brush it out, whatever. And this I just use to really get my hair. So then I'm going to be using this Cantu leave-in conditioner cream. This is going to be the cream that I use to get my hair moisturized and brush. And then I'm going to be using this Gorilla Snot Edge Control. So that's pretty much what I use to my hair. And then I'm going to use a, you already know, the toothbrush to kind of get those edges acting right. And then I'm going to have my scarf just so I can kind of tie my edges down before I get ready to go. So let's go ahead and get to it now. So first things first, I'm going to take these out of these little rubber bands. As you can see, my hair is like really dry right now, but this leave-in conditioner is really going to moisturize and make my hair feel so good. So I'm actually going to section this off, and I'm going to do one part first. So what I do usually with this is just kind of separate it. And then you could do water, but my hair reverts back so fast when I use water, so I'm just going to use the leave-in conditioner. So it smells so good. So I'm just going to grab some and just kind of move it around my hair. Yes, no. Make sure you get those ends, cause girl, those ends be dry. I'm just gonna show you guys this side, and then I'm just gonna do the other side off camera, just so you know like what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna grab this brush and start with my ends first. Brush them out, and then kind of brush this together. And I'm gonna do it all the way because I kind of still want my curls to show just a little bit. So now I have my hair moisturized. Now I'm gonna go, and I don't need this anymore, so I'm gonna go with this. I'm actually gonna pour it on top of here just because I'm gonna use a brush to do that, but I'm gonna just my hair up just a little bit. And I'm gonna just pour some, depending on your hair, like you might need a lot, but I'm just gonna put that much. when I'm ready to go, I'll show you guys how it looks. I'll show you guys the finished look. So what I do is just untie it, obviously, and voila! No, I do that, and then I kind of push it up. And that's how I get my beautiful little buns. This is how the sides look. Kind of can't see that much, but yeah, this is the finished look. You can do your, I have to like perfect this, but that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, if you have any other suggestions for hair videos or any other kind of video ideas, let me know. So yeah. Ooh. And if you try out some of these products and they work out for you, or if they don't work out, make sure to let me know and see how they are. If you have any products that you love that honestly is like probably a better edge control than this, you let me know in the comment section below. And thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will talk to you guys later. And yeah, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.